Benchtop Mortiser helps to make precise joints, rectangular or square, in the wood effortlessly. They can be used on any type of wood that include teak, oak and others. It is portable, lightweight and can be used to operate from different angles to make mortise and tenon joinery. They are safe, quiet, and won't generate lots of dust while operating. There are many products available to choose the best benchtop mortiser for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop mortiser for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet Bench Mortiser. Jet is one of the most popular options out there if you are looking for a benchtop mortiser, as this model comes with a high user rating. The Jet Bench Mortiser is present in the first position in this article, as it is the most reliable and durable option present in this article. This is due to the reason that you get an excellent build quality in it, along with a 5-year-long warranty. It can offer this without being highly expensive or paying an extra premium for this. It uses rugged cast iron and steel for its construction that should easily last for a long time. Although due to its construction, it weighs about 44 pounds, that is a bit on the higher side. You get a 1/2 HP electric motor in this benchtop mortiser that runs using 120-volt electricity input. It is able to offer a motor speed rating of 1752 RPM that is quite decent when compared with other options out there. Its 1/2 inch chisel capacity is also quite great for woodworking. As for the head stroke, it is rated at 4 3/4 inch, which should be more than enough for most users out there. Number 2. Powermatic Bench Mortiser. Bench Mortiser from the brand Powermatic has a powerful motor that runs at a speed of 1725 RPM with the voltage 115 volts. Although it is a heavy tool weighing 90 pounds, it is a pretty decent tool with many sophisticated features. The machine comes with an inline depth stop feature that stops it at depths that are preset, avoiding racking to the base. It also features a double lock system that holds the workpiece of 0 to 5 inches thick firmly from the top and from the side to avoid slippage. The mortiser features a heavy-duty handle that has reversible action, which means you can change it from one side to another effortlessly without having to use any tools. Furthermore, it is designed to have great stability as well as accuracy, with work surfaces that are larger than usual on the table and on the fence. Number 3. ShopFox Bench Mortiser. ShopFox is a subsidiary of Woodstock International that specializes in manufacturing small machinery for and commercial applications. ShopFox's bench mortiser runs on a 3/4 HP motor to deliver a steady speed of up to 3450 RPM. With this speed, you can easily power through a wide range of hard and soft wood. The motor has an aluminium finned housing, along with a fan-cooled system to prevent it from overheating. The mortiser features a unique swiveling base that allows easy off-the-bench operations. The bench mortiser is equipped with a 1/2 inch drill chuck that provides precision and eliminates the need to change chisels and bits. Besides, the extra height allows you to use stock up to 7 inch thick. It is equipped with a heavy-duty fence to ensure the wood workpiece is stable and does not wobble. There is also an adjustable extra-long 22-inch steel handle with 6 different indexed positions for providing leverage while working. ShopFox backs this bench mortiser with a 2-year warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 4. RIKON 34 to 260 Benchtop Mortisers. RIKON is one of the well-known brands offering a wide range of woodworking tools that are suitable for both and heavy-duty applications. They manufacture economical, consistent, and high-quality products. This RIKON Professional 34 to 260 Benchtop XY Mortiser has a sliding XY axis table that allows for boring mortises by positioning your work precisely. It is equipped with a powerful 1/2 HP motor, delivering up to 1750 RPM. So, it handles and cuts mortises, even the heavy-duty tasks and the toughest of the woods, without stalling. It has a spacious chuck that accommodates sizes of 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch of chisel bits, making it a versatile bench mortisers. It provides constant solid cutting of numerous mortises with a dovetail column having an adjustable stop. With its gas-filled stabilizer, the device controls the upward and downward chisel motion while working to make you feel safe. Furthermore, this XY directional table with adjustable stops offers ultimate positioning control and lets you focus on your work effectively. Here the front controls move either side or forward back and dual dovetail ways. It is a drill press type machine designed to cut accurate mortises for doors, furniture, shutters, cabinetry, etc. Also, it includes a fence, 2 extensions, a tool holder, a hold down, and 4 chisels along with this tool. It comes with a 5-year-long warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 5. Delta Mortiser. Delta is another highly popular brand of power tool whose benchtop mortiser has a high user rating because of the features offered by it. This Delta 14-651 benchtop mortiser offers a lot of things to the user that makes it a great value for money option. As you would expect from any other option present in this article, it comes with a 1/2 HP electric motor. While this motor is not the most powerful one, it is more than enough for powering the given 1/2 inch chuck size of this benchtop mortiser. A great thing about this chuck size is that it is quite common, due to which you can find a wide range of chisel bit options for it. You get a great build quality along with a 5-year-long warranty with this benchtop mortiser that is always great to have. It simply means that it can easily last for a long time without running into any issues. The base of this mortiser is made out of cast iron with dimensions of 16 3/4 inch by 13 1/2 inch for optimum stability while working on a given workpiece. Its motor is able to generate a motor speed of 1725 RPM that is quite similar to other options out there. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.